Firstly, the state policy enshrined in our Constitution that the state shall provide equal opportunities for access to public service. Dapat pantay-pantay lang tayo na nabibigyan ng pagkakataon na makapagtakbo sa halalan. Paano tayo magiging pantay-pantay kung ang cabinet members nauuna na at ginagamit pa ang sarili nating pera? Di wala nang mahirap na makakatakbo kung ganun pala. Kaya magagawa natin kaagad-agad, maliban sa naturally we'll have to amend election code. Maybe we can do that if many of us return to the Senate.
But can't we do judicial statesmanship, Your Honor? Can't the Supreme Court see right through it, or the COMELEC see right through the intentions? That what you cannot do, which the law prohibits on a particular date, you cannot do beyond that date simply because, and you cannot use the excuse that it is outside. Precisely the purpose of the law was to limit the campaign period.
Opo.
And to limit campaign expenses.
Bakit pa tayo may campaign ban? Kung pwede naman pala sila mangampanya bago ng ban. Ano namang baluktot na dahilan iyan?